Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you where you can buy tickets for live event for Jake Paul versus Mike Tyson fight. So if you don't know when the fight is happening, it's happening on the July 20th. But before I tell you how to buy the tickets, I can offer you Shopify completely for free for your first 3 days, and then you only have to pay $1 that first month. So you need to go to the website mostvaluablepromotions.com, and when you go to this website you will see things to input your stuff. And this is basically you sign up for a pre-sale that gives you exclusive first access to tickets 48 hours before the public. Once the fight is in those 48 hours, after 48 hours, I assume you will be able to buy tickets anywhere. There just has to be some tickets left. So yeah, go to mostvaluablepromotions.com, type in this information, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in the Shopify offer, click the link in the description.